Good morning, everyone. It's vlog time again. And people might wonder, what do you do all day? And you sit in your car. You're disabled. So you're not running all over God's creation. You live in your car. Some people live out of their car. I live in mine. And I made, out of a candle, we'll start here. Out of a citronella candle can, I put 3 blobs of acrylic there. And it is a brush holder. And it is a brush bath. I used it last night to make soapy nails, soapy solution for marbling nails, because you only skim off the suds and use the suds. I put the can on the dashboard and I said, well, I'm going to clean my makeup brushes in the morning because no sink. Okay. So rubbing alcohol, 91%, and a little Dawn dishwashing liquid left over from last night. I went through my brush case and washed out all my brushes. And what do? I have stopped using so many paper products because the cost just adds up. An old fuzzy sock that lacks a mate. It's going in the garbage, but it was clean. I used it first to clean all those makeup brushes. So yeah, what do I do while I sit in my car all day? There's always something to do. There's always something that needs doing. But this is what I'm waking up to right now, that beauty. And of course I had to paint it. I had to make some attempt to paint it. And I was complimented on my music practice this morning. A guy walked by, and he's younger than I, and said, sounds like being at a music festival. I said, that's what it feels like to me, too. Thank you. And he smiled and went away. But that's happened a few times, and it's just beautiful. I feel so much better today than I have in a long time. And, well, without any real support, I can't stay here. I'll be going back soon. But, yeah, makeup brush cleaning and reusing. Whatever can be reused. Oh, don't dump that soapy water in the can. You've got makeup brushes you can clean in the morning. Being very conscious of thrift and making use of time and money in a situation like this. God bless you, everyone. You have a wonderful day. Peace out, ski. Bye.